Okay, welcome to the Dobsonian Power night sessions, live sessions to watch the sky. And today, of course, tonight we have the Comet C2022 E3 about to explode. Now, I have this telescope there outside, a real view of the comet we will see tonight. 12-inch Dobsonian Power, ZWO294, Equatorial platform to track the sky, studies on the Nexus, and a Bader neodymium filter. I advanced a bit the live stream. It was scheduled for later, but because of this event. And it's better to watch right now and make sure that we don't miss, because clouds or something that may happen. Who knows? Hello, Christopher! It's a good option. It's a good option. Greetings, James. Yeah, that's the way to go. Hello, Elena. It's not here. Here it's 8 p.m. I already have my dinner. Explode the live stream. Our feelings. Hello, Fred Led. It's night for Elena. Good. Well, I was watching outside with my wife. Actually, she wanted to watch again, and I said, well, you saw all these nights. Oh, but I want tonight is the night. Okay. The telescope, the Dobsonian, was already aimed. I picked this telescope. I think I have it here. I have it. Oh, I don't have it. It's the Celestron 70 AZ, cheap refractor. And we capture the comet and watch it, and also with binoculars. But it was easier with the cheap refractor that you can buy on Amazon or something. Hello, Dan Daniel. Abiosis. Yes, tonight it's earlier. It's a different night. It's a special night. It's an event. It's tonight. Tonight is the night. It's approaching Earth. Now, I will connect right away. Let me just check the things here. You know, the sound. The sound is no. Yeah, I think it is. Well, at the beginning of the stream, the connection at this hour it's worse because everybody finished the dinner and the kids are still on the internet and communicating. My wife is bad luck. I tell her to go to bed and I show her pictures in the morning. Well, it's too cold for the kids. I didn't call the kids tonight. They saw already. And actually, what I saw tonight outside, because of the moon, I said that before. Because of the moon, okay, the comet is brighter. But the moon wash everything. So to watch visually, it's connect this sharp up. So it's an exciting night tonight. This is the night. Let's connect this first. Probably I have to refocus, I don't know. It's still the same from yesterday, yeah, for sure. There are some clouds, let me check. There are thin clouds and the moon. However, they will not stop us. Let me check the satellite. I didn't check, but I checked with my eyes. Yeah, thin clouds. These are signals of thin clouds. But maybe they go away. Or not, that's why I wanted to start now. So we make sure we have, let me see the wind, yes, the wind is to south. Here is stopped, it's no wind here. Okay, we don't know, it's unpredictable. Without wind, clear wind direction. Okay, it's no wind here. Okay, I will point to a bright star. Here we go again. I will point to a bright star. I will do the traditional star hopping. Star hopping. To focus the telescope, but before that, let me check if the bot I hired on Discord, it did nothing. It's always the same. I will announce here the live stream for the people to know that we are in advance. Green Comet live now. And I will write last chance. Okay, send Discord. The bot announced today, during the day, the stream from yesterday was a mess. And I think he will do the same, so he will be fired. Dobsonian power, he said. Okay, let me point to the bright star to focus this. Hold on, give a like meanwhile. Yeah, it's out of focus. It's out of focus. Ah, the platform. So this is the star Betelgeuse, which is about or already exploded. And we will focus the telescope with this star, a beautiful star, in honor of Christopher, the guy of the Dobsonian telescope. I'm using a simple infrared remote. We gotta have this well focused for the comet, because of the moon will bloat the stars and the clouds. Okay, it's fine. Focus it. Checked. Now, I will do again the star hopping to watch the comet. Tonight will be the night to watch all the night only the comet. Live, in real time, because it's the great night. After 50,000 years, the comet passed through us, closest to Earth, and it will be fading away. And probably will never come back. Start hopping. first, to do the star hopping, I will open to see where is the comet in the sky. I know more or less, but to make sure to use the tail rad first, and then I will use the finder scope after the tail rad. So we go here, you see the moon, super bright the moon. Let's see, comet. Comet, it's here. Polaris, it's here. Tail rad. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Star here, the nose of the Big Dipper, of the bear of Ursa Major. A tangent to an imaginary line, horizontal line here. This will help me, because Camilo Pardalis is faint. It's a faint constellation. Cassiopeia. It's pointing to the comet also. Okay. Cassiopeia, Ursa Major, Polaris. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. More or less at the middle of a triangle. Okay, I think I have enough. I think I have enough. 8. Hold on, I will do my manual go-to. Yeah. There we go. Faster than a goat. For the ones that just joined, we are watching the comet live. The last chance to watch closer to Earth with a Dobsonian telescope, a 12-inch Dobsonian, over an equatorial platform, all manual. to find with a ZWO 294 MC color, not cooled, and a stereozono nexus to make it larger and brighter. Now let's live stack this to make it pop and see how it is tonight. The great night. 8 seconds. No. Mistake. It's with an nexus. With an nexus. Bam. The moon is affecting a lot. However, I think I'm watching the tail. Look at this gradient because of the moon. And it's a mess because the moon, not only the moon is bright, but also it's being reflected at my windows here. So it's like having two moons at a time. I'm not sure if the recent tool that Robin had it to shark up the gradient removal will help in a night like this. I will try in a minute. Let's first check it. It's much more green and larger here. But we can see less dust, again, like yesterday, less dust and much more green tonight. Watch the comet, enjoy and say goodbye, because it will pass. Super bright, it's super bright now. Incredible. We are watching the comet live. This is not pre-recorded in loop or made by artificial intelligence. This is a human watching with you with a Dobsonian telescope the comet live. After 50,000 years. Super green tonight, super green. This is the super green comet tonight. Much greener. Incredible, even with the moon. Bad luck with the moon, but at least we can watch it. Yeah, Mazif, here we are again. Tonight it's the last night that I will be capturing the comet. Then tomorrow I may rest a bit from live streams, and at the weekend we come back again to the battle with the sky. Star Wars. Yes, we need the moon. We need everything as is. Yeah, very nice people. Yeah. Hello, Switzerland. The great comet night tonight. We have been streaming all the nights, watching this comet, but tonight is the night. Hello, Martin. Gula Gula. Ray from Arizona. Ray, tell me your feedback. If you manage... By the way, I will show you here. Check here. Where is it? Here. Controls. Here at the bottom. Align frames. Check here. And don't check the full width of maximum filter. Uncheck it. Because it could be messing. You don't need it to start. Let me see what can be more. View stack. This is what you have to do. And then here in the alignment, check that it's here. It should be, because if you check at the left, it should be at the right. And crank down the stars until the minimum. It's 10 stars. Then crank up the sensitivity. Around, I have 75, you may crank up to 80, 90 or so. You trial and error. And these two checked. And that's it. It has to work. This you don't need. This is not polar aligned, so it is going up or down. If it's up or down, it's west or east because I placed the telescope in another position again. But it doesn't matter. Let me check the answer of Robin on ChartCap forum about my request of the zoom button. He said that we have already a shortcut. So if I zoom and press Ctrl 0, didn't work. Ctrl 1, it didn't work. No, I will tell him it didn't work. Ctrl 1, Ctrl 1, Ctrl 1, Ctrl 0. Didn't work. Yeah. I have to do it here. Auto. I will tell him. Of course, let's give likes to the channel, folks. He deserves it. I presume you are talking about the Dobsonian. Will it be clear tonight in Arizona, Arizona Ray? Neanderthal Comet. Yes, we need to enjoy it while we can. It will be gone in a few million thousand years. Thank you, Gola Gola. Yeah. Some of them have been around. Be aware. They're still among us. 3 degrees Celsius tonight. I will choose watching you over catching pneumonia. Yeah, it's, you know, as I said at the beginning, I had already the setup. I picked my small refractor, the cheap refractor I have, the Power Seeker 70AZ. It's stored here. Because my wife wanted to watch the comet again. And I placed it outside, I closed the window and I waited inside. Well, I pointed to the comet first. And then I said, come on, it's here now. And I got inside because it's too cold. It's not 3 degrees, but it's cold. And I don't want to be sick. Otherwise, how can I stream? Who knows? No, they will tell us. Zombie mode. Yeah, I'm so excited with this comet that I decided to do it every night. It's a question of optimizing the weather. I was lucky. It's true. I was lucky with the weather. So I will benefit from that. And by consequence, you benefit also. It will be all over soon. What, Earth? Will it impact Earth? Huh? Okay. You deserve 1 million subs. YouTube algorithm is playing some weird games. Well, I don't know. We are invaded by bots nowadays. I will keep doing what I like to do with you and hoping that they pick us. The algorithm one day will say, okay, let's pick the guy that is almost every night streaming. Okay, that's enough. Let's pick him. And bam, to the moon. I'm quite happy to have already this healthy community around. I will preserve that. The rest will come, if it comes. If not, we are okay. They are saying it's clear for me tonight. I'm going to try catching the comet with my 10-inch Dob and Equatorial platform. Yeah, watch it visually. Actually, tonight it's... Besides the moon, it's fine to watch the comet tonight. I couldn't watch it again. I couldn't watch it naked eye. And tonight even worse with the moon. I'm very good star hopping. I can't be bad in everything. I'm very good because I really like to star hope. Challenging objects. Sometimes I stay in the telescope. Let me reset this. Let me see for a second now. I stay near the telescope with challenging targets. But that gives you experience. The green comet. Okay, Arizona. Aim your telescopes for tonight. No luck in Texas. Jelloman also. Thank you for the super chat, Quasar.
Super shot. Super shot.
Thank you. Thank you so much for the support. Where was I? If you're gonna live stream it, where we are gonna have to choose between you, I didn't understand. Bye now. See you later. South California, lucky guys also. With binos tonight. I watched it also with binoculars before the streaming. With binoculars and also with a 70 AZ, the cheap refractor. $100 telescope at least. I watched the Comet with it. Thank you, Martin. And keep coming back. Thank you, Martin, for the super chat.
Super shot.
You are one of the first guys engaging with this channel and growing with us. Thank you a lot. And AstroTib, thank you again for another super chat.
Super shot.
Thank you for taking us on this journey. What a start of 2023. I wonder what other surprises the universe has in store for us this year. I also wonder that, but whatever the surprises, I will be here with you as long as the weather allows. But here usually we have better nights than bad nights. So, and I will be streaming more to share with you. Thank you very much for the support. All of this counts. At the end, altogether, these small supporters, the members, the super chats, buying from affiliate links, all those things will help the channel to grow, to keep sustainable. This channel is already sustainable. I'm good making accounts. This channel is already sustainable because I have a sponsor also. It helps. So now it's only to reinvest and keep growing. The rest it comes from my body and mind. It's time spending with you, and I will keep doing more and more. Brian, happy 1 year member anniversary, Quasar. Yes, Quasar and team. Members are very important because although it's not expensive, 99 cents a month, it's a small fee that you can cancel anytime. It gives you, how to say, it connects you at another level to the project. And I will keep benefiting you. Now on Discord, all the members that are on Discord, just connect your account to YouTube and you can post links, because links are forbidden on my Discord server for security reasons, and it will keep like that. But the members, a bad guy don't turn a member of this channel. So I feel safe giving you that permission. And the bots still block to the probably because of they can post links, the bots. The links that I choose. By the way, let me check here. Later we will be reading something here interesting about this comet also. Join us on Discord, that you are not a member. This is free. You just have to go to Discord. Yeah, this was me, a message. You just have to go to Discord, I will leave the invitation link here in the chat. Hold on. This is the extension of our community here of the channel. Okay, I was on AstroTube. Okay, this is the extension of the of the channel community. You have here, you see YouTube members. These ones were the ones that connected already. They can post any link. Any link. This is our sponsor, AstroArt Store. Very nice sponsor. I'm very lucky. With you, with my sponsors. Did you notice my sponsor is so close to the people? He answers your questions also, if you need. Our moderators, this is Mazif. We have two. It was the ones that were at the moment. They support the... they boost the Discord server. They have a system of boosting. So I placed them. And we have loads of people here. You just have to join us. You can post anything on the general forum. We ban everything. I proceed as I do the same way as in the channel. I ban anybody that comes with bad words to others or something. I don't want to, and I don't have time to and patience to deal with that. I just ban that. That's it. General forum, community pictures. You can post your pictures here. See, and during the live streams, I pull the pictures to show you to the world. Your telescopes, your setups here, very nice setups. See? Good. You can post them here. Lubo in China, new member. The dwarf. Ask questions, you can ask questions. By the way, we have here a question. We push here. From Marcin. About downgrading from an 8-inch Dobsonian to sell the 8-inch and buy or the dwarf or the 6-inch Virtuoso. Very nice answers they give here. And also I did it. And I said to him, it's important to know the why. Why, Marcin, if you are here? Why do you want to change? That's the main thing. Why do you want to change? Why downgrade to from an 8-inch to a 6-inch and not simply add, for instance, an Equatorial platform? Why? There must be a deep reason for that. That's what we're trying to figure. Thank you, Brian, for your super chat.
Super shot.
Ryan Fowler. Character appearing from behind a cloud saying, hi. Oh, you are the best. You are amazing. Yeah, you are so generous today. Very, very nice, very nice. Thank you. That gives me power. Yeah, it's worth it. I try to be fair enough. I don't ask things that I can't deliver. That's why I don't have Patreon and things like that. I will not open a Patreon just to deliver what? No. Step by step I will giving more and more benefits to the members. You will notice more the benefits being a member, the more the channel grow. As the channel grow, you will notice that more. You're welcome. I will do it anyway. Not streaming, but I will watch it anyway. Maybe Getty Bot's a sign of success. Well, we're still growing. The channel keeps growing, step by step, step by step. No rush. And that's better because then I have time to manage things. I have a main business beside YouTube. Don't forget that I have to deal with. Today I was editing a video, a very nice video. You will see an adventure, silly adventure also, with a virtuoso, and always being interrupted by phone, by email, by phone. But I can't. I wish I could disconnect and just focus it on editing, but I can't because I have my customers that want to speak, and I have to deal with everything. Sometimes there are days, then my wife, then my kids. You know, life, life as is. There are days that are more harder. They are harder. They are harder. The exposure is now it's 4 seconds. Now I will show you something because I will. For the people that have equatorial platforms, will help. This is drifting because I didn't place in the right position. So, I have a good video about this. This is moving up, it's drifting up, and we can confirm because it's cutting here. Yesterday it was not because I had the luck to more or less get it right. So this is moving up, you see the drift? So we come to, I have a paper for not to forget. I usually don't use papers, but this one is very helpful. You have the same on my channel in a video, Equatorial polar align. I have this draw, it's the same that is in the video, with these arrows, and as it's moving up, I go to the arrow that points up, and it says, too much east. It's in Portuguese, this one. You see, I just go here, and I see, too much east, so I have to go outside, and turn to the west. It's to the left. Turn a bit to the left, and it will correct this drift. So easy. I love the equatorial platforms. I just placed more or less roughly aligned to the north. And you will see the drift may... I will do it right now. Hold on. For us to... So the comet is going up, you see? It's drifting up. It's too much east, so I have to turn to the left a bit, to west. I will reset the platform and do the star hopping again. It's better. Star hopping. I took the magnet because it's pointing so high. See, this is heavy. Here inside there are magnets because it's too... The angle is too vertical and the magnets will mess the telescope. Now, I'm good star hopping because I'm good on that, I have the notion, but I have Bortle 5. With a Bortle 9 I would not be so good, or 8. So be aware of that. Be fair. So here it is again. Now I moved a bit to the left. If I move too much, it will go down now. If I don't know the distance that I have to move, I moved about 1 or 2 centimeters because I saw a large drift. 1 centimeter maybe. 1. It's heavy. I moved all with the telescope over the platform, but it's easy to do. Let's see the drift now. Clear. Reset this. I want this to reset. Here. No, clear. Here. I want this like this. Because he captured the last frame and now it's clear. We will see. No while. Now bam, bam. What I can't change, I don't want to change it if it goes to the left or to the right. It's the declination, because it depends on the level of the ground. So I am only using this position randomly tonight. So I will not adjust because tomorrow will be different. So green it is, the comet. Tonight. But tomorrow will be fainter. So it's the last chance to watch it like this. Much gradient. I may try again the gradient. I hope it doesn't mess with this. Let me try the gradient removal. They have a tool here at the right. Maybe it helps in this situation. Pre-processing, darks. Here, background subtraction, gradient removal. Let me see if it works here. I have to clear this to restart. Let's see. I think it takes some frames. Wow, super different. Because of the histogram. This changed the histogram. This changed the red comet color. This changed the histogram. Let's see. I think it cuts the gradient, I think. You see another tool that you may use if you have those problems. Be aware that these problems are caused by the moon or light pollution, not by light leaks on your focuser. Otherwise, you have to fix that. Lower the red. Yeah. But I think it hits a bit of the comet. I don't know. Maybe my imagination. Let me keep in a shot. Where were we? More than big, it's a quality. I'm betting on quality with you. Jalaman, thank you for the super chat. I don't know if I didn't.
Super shot.
Power!
Dobsonian power.
Thanks a lot for your support also. Jalaman is an old guy here, an old wolf around the Dobsonian community. Yes, you can. I'm using the Geoptic platform, Geoptic eArtha. It's from geoptic.com from Italy. With K, Geoptic. I have no commercial relation with them. Yes, it's the right answer, Martin, thank you. The comet is visible anywhere in the northern hemisphere. Let's check the drift. You see what I said? Left and right doesn't matter because I will not touch the declination. But the right ascension, now it's not going up. It's doing this jerky movement that always does. But within these values, it's very nice now. Now I could, if I see this goes to the left or to the right, I can correct moving the south of the platform. But that I want to do that once and then use it as is. I will not do it. Yes, it was early. You were in the dinner, Samir. It was earlier because tonight is the night. I was so anxious. My wife brought pizza from Pizza Hut, and when I eat pizza, I eat very fast. And then I thought, okay, I was watching the comet with her, and I thought, it's too early. I will open right now the live stream because there's been many people wanted to watch today the comet, so they can watch more, even if it is the replay. The comet. When? Samir from Canary Islands. It's hard to watch the tail of the comet in real time now, right now. We watched it some streams ago if you check on the channel. But right now in real time, because of the moon, it's really hard to watch. What we watched better tonight, it's even the dust, it's washed a bit by the moon. Tonight the strongest part of the comet, and it's unique, it's the gas that it's here. Now, I want to talk about that. As we are speaking, just a quick, I will come back later to this. I was studying this for you to know. Okay, for the people that don't know, this is from Life Science. We don't like this. Why the comet is green? Oh, so many ads. Another one. This frees the internet also. Look, so many ads. Why is C-2022 E3 green? The comet itself isn't green, but its head does appear to glow green thanks to a somewhat rare chemical reaction. Glow likely comes from diatomic carbon, C2. It's talking about this glow. A simple molecule made of two carbon atoms bonded together. When the ultraviolet light from the sun breaks this molecule down, it emits a greenish glow that can last for several days, according to a study. Blah, blah, blah. This eerie light disappears before making its way to the comet's tail, or coma, which is made of gas. That gas is once again a result of solar radiation. In this, sunlight causes part of the comet to sublimate or transition from a solid into a gas without entering a liquid state. That gas tracks behind the comet, often glowing blue from the ultraviolet light. So this is the explanation for the green. A rare chemical reaction with a glow that comes from two molecules of carbon, a simple molecule of two carbon atoms bonded together, and by the effect of the ultraviolet light from the sun. Amazing. Amazing phenomena. Let me check the drift. Now it's going down. But it's just a bit. I pushed too much to the left. I would have now to... It will cut here down. I would have to push a bit to the right. But it's not too much. It's not cutting too much. So it's enough for us. I would have now to readjust to the right the platform. To east. Now it was too much to the east. Now it's too much to the west. I will have to readjust a bit, somehow to place it on the middle of both positions to get the right. This is how we adjust. This is pointing to Polaris that we do this, but the region around Polaris, which is this is north. It's also good to adjust. Martin. I think the gradient is hitting the green of the comet. I will take it. Let me take it. And reset to see what happens. That's why I don't use these tools. They can take bad things, but also nice things. Prefer not to risk. You see? Now we have the gradient, but we lower the red and a bit of the blue. And we wait. That's it. It's my way to do it. It will clean the noise. I learn a lot from your work, Tiago. As you know, we exchanged so great EAA images on the forum too. It's true, Martin. I remember in the cloudy nights. I really think the comet's tail is not easy to see due to the excessive moon light tonight. Yeah, it's the moon. That's why I said in the last live streams, take the chance now, because the moon will mess with the views. The thing is, tonight, as this is the night that's closer to the Earth. The comet is much brighter, and especially the gas, we can watch better the gas here. Or maybe it has more gas around. It's so green now. It's difficult to get rid of the effect of the moon around tonight. But anyway, we can watch the comet as is. So remember to join us on Discord, it's free and you can interact with all of us, take your doubts, show your pictures to our community pictures.
Community pictures.
Then we show them here. Like. Hola Colombia. India. Yeah, it's as simple as that. I use this keep it simple philosophy in my life to keep me healthy and mentally healthy. I just cut the bad things. Don't waste time with stupid things. I try. You have to take care of your priorities in the proper order. Good for you, Tiago. Everybody should do that. It's not easy. Not easy. To make sure that you watch the comet, you should use the Sky Safari, for instance, Sky Safari application in your smartphone. Check there. In the southern hemisphere, it will be in the next days, not right now. The comet is going towards west and then a bit down, and there's where and when you will watch it in the southern hemisphere. Hello Christoph, welcome back. Hola Vicente. Yes, you can watch it with binoculars. I'm sorry, but we only speak English in this channel. You can watch it with binoculars. Actually, I was watching before this live stream. Very nice. Oh, send us the pictures. Place the pictures on the community pictures on Discord. Christoph, are you on Discord, Christoph? In our server? It's better to do like that. Ray, choose a place for your dob that will be always the same place. I use this because my floor allows to write on. I use this. I used. You see? These markers. I use the black ones to make contrast, and they last long. With the rain, etc. and the sun, every year I have to rewrite over them. Choose your place. That's here, and that you can watch Polaris. You point to Polaris, and then you use my video about polar alignment to learn how to do it. You do it once, you will never do it again, because the next time you will place at the same time. Do it on a good night, because you will have to readjust. Now it's too cold. Now do it roughly, as I did. But on a good night, not so cold. It's with patience until you find the right position. Then you mark. the place where you will always place the platform. Argentina. "42 seconds total and track it." Good. Good. Welding. What is welding? Let me check the translator. You know that I'm not English. Welding. I like to learn. Every day I learn. Ah, okay. I get it. Do it. If I had the tools, I would make an equatorial platform, but I don't have the tools and the knowledge. Llanos Orientales. Give more likes. Let me check the likes. We are 76 right now. Let me check how many likes we have. 51? Can be. I will close the live stream. No? 51? People that coming here for the first time, no like? Don't you like the comet? The green comet? Oh, I'm watching a message here on YouTube. I sent you a DM on Insta. I don't send me things to Instagram, Facebook, because I almost don't read that. Go to Discord and post there. If you go to Discord, join Discord, it's free. You post there on Ask Questions, you receive a faster response because not only me will answer you probably, and I'm always on track of Discord. Always. Every day I have Discord open and I check what people say. So it's faster to reach me through Discord rather than Instagram and social networks. I don't use that. I have them just to have my brand there. Yeah, this is going south. This is drifting south. When I reset the platform, I will readjust. It's cutting down here. Oh, but it's cutting just a bit. I don't need to readjust. Where is next? 4 seconds. Managing the colors to take the gradient off. I will forget this. Now, another thing that I want to tell to the people that are beginners and it's the first time they are watching something like this. Why is the Comet C-2022? Why the letter C? Why? There's other letters like P. Why is the letter C in the comet? Because it's a non-periodic comet. If it was a periodic comet, will be P-2022, because it was the year they found it. Coming here. Let me show you. And there's X also. And D, where is it? I want to read well. Okay, here. P, if it's P dash whatever, a comet, P is used for a comet or on a known periodic orbit. So it has an orbit that is known. They know that you will come back every time, that time. C, like this one, this comet, the C-2022, is for comets on paths that are open, that is, higher than the sun's escape velocity. Those usually only make a single pass before heading out into interstellar space. So this is the case. This comet was 50,000 years ago. Now it's past. They discovered that on 2022, but probably will never back again to Earth soon. It's an erratic orbit, probably only on from millions of years from now. You know, not 50,000, or never come back. And it's coming from the Oort cloud. So C, it's non-periodic. And then if you watch a comet that is started by D, it's very rare, because if a comet breaks up, disintegrates, or is lost after the initial discovery, they assign the D letter at the beginning. And finally, the X, it's used for comets where no orbit is known, usually one seen long ago before the mathematics of orbital mechanics was invented. So the most common are the P, the periodic. P from periodic is easy to learn. P, periodic. C, you remember, it's not P, it's non-periodic. So learn it, because the next time we have a comet, you will know right away. You will remember these words. P, it's periodic. C, what is C? Okay, it's not P, it's not periodic. So it's for sure non-periodic. It's the negation of the other. Okay? This one, C-2022, is non-periodic, and it will probably, almost 100% sure, we don't know, but the chances are high that it will never come back. What's happening with the tracking? I will now restart the platform, readjust it, and do again the star hopping to the comet, because this, I think it's over now. I don't know the platform.
Start hopping.
Readjust this. There we go. I readjusted the platform. I turned everything a bit to the left, to west. No, to the right, to east. Just a bit. And I resetted the platform, so I had to do the star hope again. Manually. This is all manually. It's all washed out by the moon tonight. It's a shame, but it's the truth. What's happening here? So high, the stars you see, all bloated. 9. I'll take this. The filter. They are so bloated, the stars. Usually we work at a limit of 4, 5, now it's 8, 9. Could be also clouds messing with it. Yeah, I removed the filter. And now adjust the histogram. Bam. And bam, the magic. Boom. Comet 2022, C2022, E3, in real time. We are watching real-time views of the comet approaching Earth. The weird colors around this greenish is because of the moon. This gradient is because of the moon. The effect of the moon. That's why it's very hard. I couldn't do it. I couldn't watch the comet in naked eye because of the moon. But we can see clearly tonight that the comet has loads of gas, green gas. This is out of focus. This is out of focus again. Again, no, it's out of focus. It was well. Hold on, I can do it from inside. I will use the remote to check. Hold on. Yeah. I don't know why it happened. Maybe the weather, the cold, I don't know, the changes of temperature. Let's do it again. This is what you see from binoculars, from a telescope visually. It's this. Hold on. On the Bortle 5. This is the image you can watch from binoculars. A bit better in binoculars. And from a telescope. A bit more of the dust here, the tail. Now let's make it pop. Let's see now. Much better. Now I can use the filter again, maybe. Yeah, you see? From 955, for the ones that know this. From 955 to 391 to 4. This is the width of the stars. They were all bloated. It loses the focus. It's not usual. I don't know what I did outside. Ah, I know. When I moved all the setup, this is a beast. We are watching, by the way, the comet with this beast, this telescope. This is a 12-inch Dobsonian telescope over an equatorial platform. I moved outside all of this. I grabbed it from the base and I moved a bit. When I moved, it changed the focus. It was that. It was that. I hope it was not the camera that moved. We'll see if it hangs. Camera ZWO294 Studies on the nexus, comma corrector, focal reducer. This is our gear, and the equatorial platform, which tracks the sky. A strong equatorial platform, all made of steel, to be able to deal with this beast. It's a beast, it's true. It's a huge Dobsonian, it's a Dobsonian power.
Dobsonian power.
Now let's adjust this. Again, histogram. Hold on. The ones that watch the last live streams with the Comet can see the transformation. And if you watch my last live streams, you will see the Comet tail much better defined than today because of the moon. That's the only reason for that. However, by the other end, we have here the green gas of the comet, super bright, super intense tonight because it's closer to the Earth, and the effect of the sun, it's amazing. No, Antonio, the adjustment of the platform will not help the vignetting. The vignetting will be always there if you don't use flats. Will be always there because of the setup itself. It's a large camera. It's a Newtonian with a large camera, large field of view. With adding to that the focal reducer. So you have to deal as I do here to soften the vignetting. Otherwise you have to do flats, which I don't do. Gracias, Vicente Dueñas. Thank you very much. Yeah, right. You make the EAS look so easy. I still have a hard time with it. More practice will help. Yes, keep trying, because I risk that there's something that you are doing wrong that is blocking you to move on. There's something that you are doing, but of course there's a learning curve, but the moment that you get in, you never have any trouble again. And it's super easy. Yeah, but Ray does astrophotography with other telescopes. But the aperture of the Dobsonian telescope to EAA, it blows everything, in my opinion. Many people here from India also. Yeah, but it will be fading. Tonight is the night that is more brightest and closer to the Earth. It will be fading. Day after day it will be fading. Less and less visible. Until we say goodbye to the eternity. Only if it explodes. If it explodes, we can watch it better. Do you want to see what happens if it explodes on Earth? I will show you. Watch it. We go to our asteroid launcher. Let's choose a comet. I don't remember. Be around. This will be a small impact. For instance, we have here New York, Brooklyn, Manhattan. Let's place it on Manhattan. Here. And line. You see what happened? A small crater. This comet, if it changes the direction directly to Manhattan, it will make a crater of this size, and 700 people will be vaporized by the crater. You see? But if it was with a larger diameter, will have larger impact. But the worst is the asteroids. The danger is with the asteroids. Look at this. You see? 4 million people dead with this. So a nice simulator for us to have a notion of what's happening if something like this hits us. Install Stellarium or in a smartphone Sky Safari. It's free. Sky Safari. Sky Safari. Thank you, Adam. Empower the stream. Hit the like. Reset this. Clear. It's easier. We can watch occasionally, but I will not make streams. I will not do streams specially dedicated to the Comet again. This is the last one. But if we are, for instance, on Friday or Saturday streaming, watching another object, and from now, if you ask me and if it's on site, we can have a look to the comet. You choose. Bartle 3, Missouri, USA. Yeah, the weather is the most important. At least you had one chance to watch the comet. Many people didn't watch anything. Look how beautiful it is now. "50,000 years after the Neanderthals and the Homo sapiens." Yeah. It's not hard to find the Bartle 3. The thing is, it's hard to live in the Bartle 3, because to go to Bartle 3, usually we have to be far away from the business. Yes, it's very special, this comet. Hello, Marcin. Good evening. Do not forget more likes here. Marcin, I was talking at the beginning of the stream about your question to downgrade the 80 from the 8-inch to the 6-inch or to the dwarf telescope. And I answer there. The why is important. I wish I knew why do you want to do that. What's your goal with that? What do you need? Why not, for instance, keep the 8-inch because it has larger aperture and buy an Equatorial platform instead, for instance? There must be a reason for you not to choose that, and instead of that choose another thing, downgrading the aperture. There's always a reason, at least one. The whole comet. Too cloudy in Leeds. I'm sorry about that. I hope I see that thing tonight with the naked eye. I hope you can watch it, all of you. I couldn't watch it with a naked eye. It's better to grab binoculars, or even with a finder I can watch it. The finder scope. Hi nerd. Even with binoculars you can't? Why? Because of the weather. Greetings to Thailand. Also greetings to Kenya. Bosnia Herzegovina. Greetings. California. It's true, Astrothib. Great kickstart of 2023 in this channel. The Comet every night, and now the special night of the event, the closest approach to Earth of this beautiful green comet, the green comet, all together from all over the world. I remember when it was Jupiter opposition, do you remember? It was like this. Tiago, wheel adjusting the platform. The vignetting, I saw that already. No. Clouds in Germany. I'm sorry about that. Germany is always with clouds. The north of Europe. It's terrible. You're welcome, Ray. You know that what I can do to... You will do it. It's a challenge. It's a challenge, Ray. The guy that like you that manage so many stuff, many telescopes, many setups, which I don't manage. Now you have this challenge. But I promise you, the moment you overpass this whatever that is blocking you to overpass, you will enjoy a lot. The simplicity of it. Many times you will place it and not connect the other telescopes just to have some fun watching the sky and maybe share with us. You have to install, all of you that are asking about the Comet location and if it's visible, install, go to your smartphone, open the Google Store or the Apple Store, depends, and search Sky Safari. Install that right away and then search the comet and watch if it's visible or not. You can change the days and the months. Tony from Syracuse. Okay, let me check this. Santiago, today I wanted to use the 1 to arc second per pixel Excel, but I messed it up, so I have to rewrite the value of the distances in the yellow cell, but I was confused. I can send you again the file. I have to put always the 6 millimeters of distance to the center of the GS reducer, plus the distance of the red border of the camera, and then the distance of spacers of filters. Yeah. Yes. It's not the center. Yes, the 6 millimeters you have to place always. Yes, of the GSO. Right. Then the distance of the red border of the camera, distance to the sensor. Yes, the 294 is I don't remember, 6.5 millimeters. Then the distance from that red, that spacer that comes with the camera already. The black ring of the 294. This black ring that you see here. This black ring. I think it is, you confirm it, I think it is 11 millimeters. And then you play with the spacers and filters. Only that. Oh, you have more here. But the distance of the border to the sensor should be 12. No. No. The border, what is the border? The border, the red, the flange, the red flange of the camera? No. 6.5. 6.5. No. 6.5. That's why it's 6.5 there. 6.5 to the red. 11 millimeters, that black. This, only this, Samir, look carefully. Only this that you can see here. To the border, to the face of this black. It's an adapter, it's an M42 adapter. The face of this black thing, this black adapter, to the sensor, only all of these as 70.5 millimeters. Just as is. 11 plus 6.5. That's a thing that often people makes the confusion and then they fail. And they blame the comma correctors. Well, the usual. The special ones are the comets. Non-periodic. We can scream, Astronomy, we can scream a lot, but it doesn't matter. It will be next month. 96p. Let's check. Let's check that. Let's check that. Next month, you said. No, no, no. July. Altitude 23. August. Altitude 31. July, August. 1. No. 31. The peak will be here. This I'm telling you this. 26th of July, around this date. It will be 50 magnitude. It's too faint, 50. Okay, I will add it, but it's too faint. It's too faint. Okay, I add it to the bookmarks. Remember me in the summer? This will be in the summer. It's on bookmarks already. Below of Yukush. But it's too faint. 15 magnitude, it's too faint. Let me see if it changes magnitude. August 14. No, June, but it's too low. On June 14, and it's not too much. The problem is the better magnitude will be too low here, and then it's freezing. This will not be an impressive comet to watch, but it's bookmarked. Remember, in June, July, it's nothing to do with this one, the green comet. This is the comet. This is the special event. You see the drift. And the drift is fine. Now it's going up again, I think. It doesn't matter. Then Daniel, Tiago, so if I follow a nebula, I should get a telescope with go-to? Because an equatorial platform only offers me the possibility for 1 hour of tracking. 1 hour and you reset. You do like I did. Yes, but the go-to you can be... Don't you see when I stream with this telescope here? Here, the Virtuoso. The Virtuoso tracks for more time, more than an hour. And this one too, the Dwarf, the $400 telescope, the Dwarf. You have the links at the description. It's a bot telescope, Dobsonian. Huh? Watch the sky. $400, links at the description. You can watch the comet with it in 50,000 years because it will not arrive on time. And this one, the Virtuoso. A professional telescope, $400. You have to add a camera, so it's more expensive. Don't you see? I reset. It's easy peasy to reset. The time I lost, I spent resetting the platform. You take more time to change, if you lose the power, to change the power, to align everything. I don't have nothing of that mess. I prefer the equatorial platform. All that mess with alignment and the go-to, and then the go-to is not on site or not spot on, and then we have to realign, and then the UPS is out of power, and then it lost the alignment again. Equatorial platform. Says Christoph. Equatorial platform would be better because it doesn't have field rotation. Oh yes, it has. And you just simply slide back the moving part of the equatorial platform and start it again. That's it. Actually, in my platform, I only have to push a button. Just push a button and then readjust. You get used, because when you push the button, it does like this. The telescope goes back again. So we know we have to place more or less at the same. But it has field rotation. It has only the ones that have less field rotation, but they still have a bit, are the platforms, equatorial platforms with 2 axes, like the TAP or the equatorial platform, those from United States, Tomho. They have platforms with 2 axes. Mine has only one axis. That's why it costs half or less than a half of the price. But it's very strong. This one is the one that I like the most. It has to be strong for a 12-inch. Yes, 31. I think it was on 12. It was on 31. The Mackles. This comet, the perihelion, the C 2022. I think it was on 12 of January. Perihelion. Yes, I bookmarked it, but we can see it 15 magnitude. Look, we can see here. Let me see if we have a galaxy near the comet. We can see galaxies of 15 magnitude and even more. Let me see if I have... No, I think no. Oof, it's running away. I have to adjust. Hold on, I have to adjust it quickly. It's not the platform, it's the tube. Oh. Only move the tube up and the comet will go down. And I see clouds, but the power of the Dobsonian, there are thin clouds there also. Let's make it pop, the comet. The moon affecting the view. The green comet. Take your chance because this is unique event and it's the last time we watch this comet so close to the Earth. Tomorrow and after tomorrow and after tomorrow will be fading. Last chance. Tonight. Hey Nakamura! Hope you having a great day also. Doing awesome. Says Quasar, people from the chat, give a like, it's free, and support the channel to do more content like this broadcast. Of course. There's people that was never here, but at least leave a like. If you enjoy it. But if you are watching, it's because you are enjoying it. Whoops. I can't pull these messages because I don't know what they are saying. Imagine. The algorithms, the bots capturing things that I don't know. Yes, but the interruption, even for 10 seconds, means resuming the nebula tracking, which no longer has the same exposure. Oh, come on. Just buy a Newtonian over an equatorial mount. It's clearly what you need. The Dobsonian over an equatorial platform, it's to do EAA and a simple and quick astrophotography. If you want astrophotography at a higher level, it's a Newtonian over an equatorial mount. It's the best to do astrophotography because you have the aperture, fast optics, and good tracking if you have a good mount. Yeah, can you imagine that 16-inch with a deep sky object, rare sky? That's great to some planetary nebula. Thank you, thank you. I think you subscribed, no? I think. Let's see this. But you can take multiple 10-second exposures with the equatorial platform, and the go-to Alt AZ cannot track in the zenith because sometimes the Alt or the azimuth are late. Come on, that discussion you are having is not going anywhere. Believe me. Please speak English. Doesn't matter, Quasar, as long as they are not insulting. Brazil! I reside in Brazil and wanted to know if the comet will be visible. Install Sky Safari and watch. It will be, but not right now. But install Sky Safari application or download the Stellarium. Yeah, some rumor. Hey, go to the Tiago live stream that he has a way to send the comet there. Hold on, SharpCap has a feature here. I can change the trajectory of the comet. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. You are watching the comet through a Dobsonian telescope. It's the Dobsonian power.
Dobsonian power.
Ah, you see? You see? That's why I asked the main question, why? To understand. You see? How I know? How do I know these things? That's the same question when you're talking about filters. What filter should I buy? Should I buy this? I like this one. I have two of these. I have this one. And nobody asks the guy or the girl. What's your Bortle sky? That's important. There's always a strong motive. So Marcin said on Discord, on our Discord server, ask about a downgrade from an 18-inch aperture Dobsonian, classic Dobsonian, to a 6-inch Dobsonian like my Virtuoso, or to a dwarf telescope. And they answer very well, but the main question will be why? First we have to know why that people, in general, the people that ask these kind of questions, want something like that. Why would someone want it to downgrade from an 8-inch? And then we can adjust our answers to their needs. In this case, Marcin has a problem with the leg and 26 kilograms, even with the 8-inch that if he didn't tell us, we will know, because 8-inch everybody can handle an 8-inch. So the 8-inch to my garden is bad idea. Also, Equatorial platform is too expensive for me. Not only that, the Equatorial platform, you have to carry also the Equatorial platform. So having this new information, the answers that they gave you are nice. Now, the next thing is, do you like to do visual? Because if you go to the dwarf, you lose the visual component. But if you use a Dobsonian like this one, you don't lose it. This one you can grab it. This one you can handle. But this one has one good visual component, this one don't. This with a camera, you can squeeze this beauty to have beautiful objects in the sky, colorful objects, deep sky objects, that this one can reach to some of them, but this is only a small aperture. I would go for the Virtuoso with a camera, but you have to buy a camera, and to buy a ZW294, if you are talking about budget, it costs nowadays about $900 or something, no? So think very well. Thanks for the super chat.
Super shot.
Please give a like and write in English on the chat. Magical night. Yes, it is. Yeah, if you can write in English, it's better. Probably they don't know English, some of them. I will not kick them off because of that. Okay. Will there be comets? In this chat, the comet chasing says, updates the information about the comets visible. There is one comet visible to the naked eye and 6 for the guy that wrote this, because I couldn't watch it the naked eye, and 6 comets visible in small telescopes this month. He's talking about January, he has to update. Many more are visible in larger instruments. So this one we are watching tonight, C-2022 E3 ZTF. This one we saw already, we watched it live also. The V2, 2020 V2. The Pan-STARRS, both of them will, I think this one, the A2, we didn't watch. We watched the K2. This will be the perihelion in mid-February. Maximum brightness of magnitude 9.5 in late January. Actually is now, late January. 81p wild, blah blah blah, and these ones are. So you have this site where you can track every month. We will wait for February. This was I watched it already. True. You can buy much cheaper platforms for 300 to 500 euros. This one is expensive because you can use it at multiple latitudes also. But the problem is the 8-inch weight for him. So in this, you see how the information is important. To Marcin, I will go to a 6-inch Virtuoso and have it all. Remember, Marcin, that the 6-inch Virtuoso has professional optics. It's not a toy. This telescope has great optics. Okay? Remember that. And it's only 400 bucks or 500. Depends on... Wow, the comet is moving super fast. Look at the glow here of the gas. Let me reset this again. It's moving super fast. Yes, but it doesn't solve the problem. The problem is not the platform. The problem is the weight of the 8-inch. Thanks, Tiago. I will never give up. Of course, that's the way to go. While we try to do those things, we enjoy. And the day you nailed it, or the night, you will feel that sensation lifting in your body and mind, and you will want to tell us. I know. See, good advice. Use the app. Come on. I bet everybody here in the chat, everybody, we are more than 100 people. Everybody has a smartphone. And everybody has internet in the smartphone. Don't tell me that you don't have. I bet you have. Go to the store and download for free the Sky Safari application. Today is my birthday and this is the best present ever. Okay, Sam, happy birthday. The last one that said that here, I don't want to remember. Marcin, don't look back. Virtuoso. It fits you. And it's easy to store. Look at this. This one is open, but look. Hold on. Look. This is open, but like this, all compact. You can even take this off and use a camera DSLR if you have. This is a very versatile telescope. Very, very nice. Of course. Sam, the day the comet, the green comet, after 50,000 years, approach our planet and will not come back, you will not see this again, just for you, for your birthday. Huh? A gift from the heavens. Bye, ZK. What, Samir? I found Eve. That black ring is all red. Your black ring is all red? I'm not understanding. No, I don't mind. It's a special night, so I'm tolerant. I feel the people here in the chat, even the ones that are not talking in the language that they should talk, I think they are good people. That's my feeling, my intuition, I don't know. At least in general. So I'm tolerant. Because some things I can understand what they're saying. Let's be a bit tolerant tonight, because it's a night that it's an unforgettable night. The night the comet visits us on Earth. And tomorrow will be saying us goodbye. Once in a lifetime event. Good question. I can't. I couldn't all these nights. No, Marcy, no, let's be tolerant. This is different. Insults, yes, or bad words, immediately banned. I don't have the time to be here moderating. No. I will not block anybody because of that. I block negative people. I don't block people that... we have to be tolerant tonight. Remember that tonight we have people that probably don't have telescopes or don't look so much to that to this hobby. It's not on their hobby, but they have that small thing inside because they wanted to watch the comet. That's something. That's something already. So we have to be tolerant with the people. If I was not tolerant with the people, I was every day angry. Because I go outside and I see... You can't imagine what I see every day. It doesn't matter the part of the world. It's equal. And not only when I go outside on the internet, on everywhere. So we have to be tolerant. Now, I don't tolerate insults and negative people that come to the places just to mess with us. Immediately banned. Immediately. But in this case, no. If it was every night, but it's a special night, it's a special event tonight. Yeah, or probably never. It's the Comet, the Green Comet Party. Too loco. I regained some faith in humanity last night. Had the scope appear and out of close to 200 people that stopped by to watch the comet, only 6 asked about aliens or Uranus. We got to have faith. We got to have faith. Sometimes it's not fault, their fault. The responsibility, it's a lot of the responsibility, it's on the system. The moment, come on, open your eyes. The moment the system wants something, they do it. And we do it. All of us. Look back. Look history. From now to the past. History repeats. History repeats. So the system, hopefully, and there's a matter of faith on the system itself. But one way or the other, if we can be positive and believe that the system will evolve as the humanity is evolving. Hey Rao, did you order the filter, the Badr Neodymium already? Hey Birdman Cat Teddy. Oh, you weren't there? You did well. Stick with us. Stick with us there. Hello Kosovo. Lima, Peru. Buenas tardes, Peru. Yeah, I can admire you. To do astronomy with the public, you need some real patience. You'd be surprised what people come up with. I couldn't do it. But I do it my way. Physically, I don't like to go with people. It's like like I am. But you can see that, by the other hand, online I can be myself and I don't have a shame of nothing. So I can help people in this way, at least. This is live, Pepe. This is live. We are watching the Comet C-2022 E3 live with a Dobsonian telescope over an Equatorial platform and a camera, but all live. All live. And we are watching from 37 latitude in Europe, in the south of Europe. Planet Earth. Continent Europe. Country Portugal. Region Algarve. 37 latitude Bortle 5. Hold on a moment. Okay, for my kids. Yeah, this needs. Exactly. En vivo. Fortunately, more and more people are liking astronomy, and it will increase in the future. As the humanity evolve, sí se puede. Zoom. I don't know. Is it exploding? Sorry about that. Grazie. Prego. A dolly. Yes, a dolly is it's an option, yes. It's an option. Hello Rita. Hello Carl. We are here. Planet Earth. Continent Europe. Country Portugal. Region Algarve. 37 latitude Bortle 5. The platform is over, I have to realign it. Hold on. I will try to see if I can see naked eye. I can't watch it naked eye. And it's easy because I have the tail rod pointing exactly to the position. But I see nothing in the Telegram. But now the moon, I think, is not so intense. Maybe we can deal better with this. Yeah. It's getting a better view now. The moon is... We can see, barely can see the tail. It's cold outside. It's getting... beautiful. This comet. People, we only speak English in this channel. It's cold. Don't. Now I don't remember what you were saying. I missed. The chat is so full of messages. You don't. I don't remember what you said. Yeah, everybody is enjoying this moment. Beautiful. 2023 year is the year of the comet. If you can post again the question, Samir. It's something about the red. The adapter is red. Your adapter, the camera adapter. That black thing. Tonight is the night of the comet. It will be fading. Tonight is the night. If we could say tomorrow or after tomorrow we had a new moon, but not, we'll have brighter moon. Remember, any of you that wants to keep watching us, our sessions live that we do every week, and stick with us, you can join Discord, only to speak in English. You can join Discord. The link is pinned. It's also at the description of the channel. Here it is again. Yeah, binoculars or telescope. I was outside, my Bortle 5, I couldn't. Yeah, I have clouds also. We have clouds. You are not watching them here, but they are there. Greetings to Morocco. It's right here, over the ocean. The other side. Carl, welcome to our Discord server. Stick with us, nice community. Yes, post there on community pictures. I will save the community pictures to the weekend, because on the weekend we'll have brighter moon. So it's those kind of nights are perfect to watch the community pictures, to fill the stream with nice, valuable content. Yeah. Emerald Comet, yeah. It's green. Greetings to Emerald Island. Yeah, and thank you for you to use for being here. Yes, it's true. We are almost at 5,000 subscribers. At least you can watch here. Many people, this will pass and they saw nothing. Only pictures on the web. You are watching, what you are watching here is real time. A real time image. I will clear to get it. It is real time. The real image of the comet right now. It's not a pre-recorded video or something. This is pure real comet. We can see the tail now a bit. I will zoom. For us to see it better. This is the dust here, brown, and this is the gas, the green. It's beautiful, this comet, beautiful, beautiful. And with a 12-inch Dobsonian power, Dobsonian telescope, it's a Dobsonian power.
Dobsonian power.
That's right. Hello, Pedro. Good evening. Saludos para Panama. Greetings to Panama. I love it. Everybody together. You see why I don't give the importance of the countries? That doesn't matter. Nowadays, we are already at another level. Planet Earth. What were countries in the past, in the future will be planets. Okay, someone here, 6 o'clock in India. People from India, 6 o'clock. Doesn't matter, they will ask it anyway. Right? Another way to watch the comet. If you can see the Polaris, the pole star, north, Probably you will watch the comet. Yeah, should be good with a 16-inch. Google is wonderful. Be tolerant tonight. You will do much more than that in the future with your 16-inch. Gracias, Omar. Gracias. Sí, estoy muy recuperado. Una fuerte recuperación. Saludos para ti. Thank you very much. I'm recovering well from my surgery. I don't even remember, almost. Hello Australia, good morning! Hope you having an awesome morning and having a great day with clear skies for the night. Bye bye. Hello Porto! Oh, Porto! What? Oh. Galera, Brazil only next week. No, Samir, you can ask. This is the same. This is the same. Don't think like that. It's the same. I like to interact. I skip the fluff. Don't worry. Ah, okay, the photo of the 294. Okay. Okay, we have time. Say hello to Brazil. Olá, galera! Um grande abraço de Portugal para Brasil. Eu amo vocês. Happy now? But I only speak English here. You are watching the Green Comet live. This is live. I am so lazy. Discovered that my telescope has 50.8 to 31.7 millimeters reducer. So if remove it, I have a nice 2-inch hole. Yes, it was very weird that a Dobsonian with a 1 1/4 focuser. If it was a tabletop, those cheap tabletops, you had an adapter. It's not a. It's a common thing. So now how you can buy the everything 2-inch. I hope you didn't buy the 1 1/4 yet. I don't think so. Only in darker sites. Only in darker sites. Very dark, very dark. No, I think we had more in the Jupiter opposition. It's an event. The large events get used to this. When something is very important, like this comet approaching Earth, people all over the world come here. Hopefully they will come back. They will not stick only with the great events. Because here we watch the sky every week in real time. Not only this comet, but nebulae, galaxies, planets, the moon. This weekend we will watch the moon here in this channel. The craters of the moon, where Apollo mission, Apollo 11 was, and the flag, the United States of America flag. We will watch everything. Even the stars of the flag. So if you want, come back in the weekend. To make sure you will be notified, after subscribe to the channel, click on the bell, the notification bell. Also, if you speak English, join Discord, because we have the Discord server where we notify also. Bye, Chris. Hola, Guatemala. Saludos. Who knows? Hopefully not. It's not dangerous, according to NASA. Only a super dark side. Bye, Chris. Hola, Sofia. Hello, Bulgaria. So funny this is, to watch this with you all. No, I will reset this. Here he comes. Live, the green comet. You will not see this ever again. Ever. It's the last chance to watch the comet. Live, like you are watching now. This is live. This is live. Live views. Beautiful. The gas, the green gas here. The dust in the tail. The nucleus of the comet. We can see a bit of the tail here. The moon is washing out the sky, but we can see this beautiful comet anyway, through the clouds, through the light of the moon. Beautiful. Dobsonian Power Channel for you, live every week. Hola, Rodrigo. I proposed you to buy only 2-inch stuff. 2 inch. You have a 2-inch focuser. I should ask you about the adapter, because I suspected that you had an adapter. Hello, Greece. And also remember that you can these ships to all over the world. We have the Dobsonian Power store, sweatshirts of the Dobsonian Power, boy, girl, t-shirts for kids and accessories. You can buy it at the links at the description in all our videos and live streams. We ship all over the world. Quality clothes and support the channel. Hello, welcome to this channel, the Dobsonian Power channel. Good luck. Good luck. Wish you all good luck. You have to install Stellarium or Sky Safari application in your smartphone to check if you can see the comet and when you can see the comet. Here's the answer from someone. 5:15. Indian time. India time. Patricia, this is Portugal. But we only speak in English in this channel. We are watching from here. Planet Earth. Continent Europe. Country Portugal. Region Algarve. 37 latitude Bortle 5. We are watching in real time. This is a real time view. Right now. This is happening now. Happening. It's not a video. This is happening now. It will be in the replay. But all that are together here with us right now are watching the comet in real time, so you can say, yes, I saw the comet in the live stream of the Dobsonian Power channel. Yes, it's a channel, a YouTube channel. Yes, it's a YouTube channel. They watch every week live objects of the sky in real time. I have to adjust this because the comet is too much up. See? We should see this on the sky, but we can't. At least I couldn't. And I can tell you that we are watching the comet through the clouds. There are clouds out there. Look, an object here. An object. See? Moving. Something. This is real time. Probably it's a satellite. See? Look. My camera in my telescope is capturing everything. If something happens, for instance, if the comet explodes, we will see in real time. Bam! Boom! Now I will live stack to get a better image. Another satellite there. Incredible. The software helps us to watch the comet better, you see? Yes, it is. Portugal. Yeah, good question, Brian. Well, it's to optimize my time. As I'm streaming more, it's one less thing, one less cable to pass outside. And I have to place the cable, connect the cable, then connect the cable to a camera. The camera has to be on a tripod. Oh, loads of take the cap off the camera, connect two sharp caps. Sometimes it's one more hardware, one more USB port working. Sometimes I will connect it if it's worth it for instance, the meteor showers. I think I will stick only with the meteor showers because I can control the clouds from the satellite and also with my naked eyes. Let's adjust here. Yes, we can see a bit of the tail of the comet here. This is dust. This brown thing around this area is dust, and this is the gas. Hello, Los Angeles, California. I wonder how many bots are here with us tonight. We don't know. It's the truth. We don't know. Hello, Miami. You're welcome. We are always streaming here. Watching the sky in real time. Nebula, galaxies, planets. Pluto, we saw Pluto in real time, Jupiter in real time, Saturn in real time. The moon will be this weekend. If you want to watch the moon in real time, come with us. Join us. Yes, with telescope. Hola España, nuestros hermanos. Hello. Our neighbors. Hi Red. Welcome back. This is busy tonight, Red. Hello Morocco. We are streaming to all over the world through YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn and Twitter. If you have an account on Twitter, LinkedIn, Twitch, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Reddit, Pinterest, you just search for Dobsonian Power. Follow us for more of these pictures of the sky, information about the sky, live streams. We watch the sky live together. North. Polaris. You don't watch, you can't see Polaris. It will be Camelo Pardalis, and then hold on. Look, this is Stellarium. Here you can see everything, but this is in my location, okay? In my location. You go here, search and write C-2022 E3 ZTF. It goes to the Comet. See, the Comet is here. Over Camilo Pardalis. It will go to Perseus. Let me check. It will be near Aldebaran, near Mars, and probably in the south you will watch it, near Taurus constellation. Okay? But you have to install the application or Sky Safari to watch in your location. Yes, we are watching the comet, the green comet C-2022 E3 ZTF live. Yes, you can watch it from Morocco. I'm on 37 latitude. I'm very close to Morocco. Hello, Italy. Buonasera. Yeah, we do this regularly. Tonight is the comet, but tomorrow will be another thing. Well, actually on the weekend. Tomorrow I will be rest because it's been all nights with the comet. And tonight is the night. Tomorrow it will be fading more and more. You still can watch it. Saludos, Peru. Bosnia. Hello, greetings to Bosnia. I'm not sure about the precise hour, but this is the closest approach. It will be no different. Doesn't matter. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. It doesn't matter. Now is the night. Bye, Pedro. Yes, it's today. This is the moment. It's moving fast, look. This is the movement in 8 minutes. Real time. Green Comet. I can show you from my location, yes. Massimo, you are in Italy, right? You will see the same. Hold on. Right now, Polaris, it's here. Polaris, Ursa Minor, Polaris, Ursa Major, up here, and the comet is here, over Polaris, and it's doing the movement. It's doing like this. Look, a meteor. It's doing like this. to the left, to the west. So over Polaris, Camelopardalis, Cassiopeia, over it. Be tolerant, Marcin. Doesn't need Astronomy. Why you get angry with that? They are not hurting anyone. If they repeat too much, but they are not. They are not the same. Be tolerant. Have a drink or something to relax. It's cloudy on Poland. It will not last forever, for sure. Now, these more than 100 people here, I'm sure that you know that the comet, it's C-2022 E3, and it's C- because it's a non-periodic comet. If it was periodic, will be P-. It will come back again and again. This one will not come back. This one is C. It's non-periodic. Probably not come back. And here you can see the trajectory. All the month of January was like this, over Polaris. And now it will go west. And tonight, the night of the 1st of February, it's the night the comet is closest to the Earth. It makes tonight, it's making right now, and we are watching live, it's making its closest approach to the Earth. Then it will go to the west, near the star Capella, and then seem to enter the constellation Auriga. Then it will descend towards Taurus constellation, becoming even dimmer as it moves away from Earth, back out toward the edge of the solar system. So, the southern hemisphere will watch the last part of the comet here, or near us. It will be fainter, because it's going already in a trajectory out of the solar system, and it will not come back. So stay tuned, people from the south. because you will have the opportunity. Not so good as tonight, but you can watch the comet with binoculars or with a telescope. And then it will leave our solar system entirely. And as they say on lifescience.com, after that, humans may never see it again. The latest calculations suggest that the comet is moving on a parabolic orbit, meaning it is not bound to our solar system, and it is unlikely to come near it ever again, according to space.com. However, it's possible that the gravity of some unknown deep space object could alter the comet's orbit slightly, putting it back on a course that runs through our solar system. But if this happens, it will still likely be millions of years before this comet has another close encounter with the Earth. So enjoy the comet now while you can. This is a message from them to us. Tonight is the night. You will not see ever again the comet so bright in the sky. Hello, Serbia. That's right, we learn every day. In these live streams when we don't know anything or something, we search for the answer. Hello Alina, welcome back. Nice to have you here. Hope you're having a awesome night. Hulk Comet, yeah. Yeah, the clouds are a mess. They know by the trajectory. They know by the trajectory, as they know almost for sure if anything weird happens meanwhile, it will not come back. We can go back in time, knowing the trajectory. Science is great. Yes, beautiful comet. And we will not watch it again like this. The green comet. Green because of the gas here. And we are watching it together for the last time in our lives. At least so close to the Earth. Yeah, thank you. We are watching from here.
Planet Earth. Continent Europe. Country Portugal. Region Algarve. 37 latitude Bortle 5.
And remember that this weekend you can watch us. I want you, all of you here, to watch us, to watch the moon live and many other objects in the sky. It will be fun. I want all of you here, not only for the comet. This is live. Everything here is live. Hello, Tunisia. Hello, Brazil. Okay, pay attention to this, people from India. For the Indians out here, the comet is near constellation Ursa Minor, and that's located near the northern horizon, and for Ursa to come up, it will be 5:30 to 6 a.m. So for the 150 people that were asking in India, according to Reddit, it's 5:30 to 6 a.m. Thanks for the info, appreciate it. He's still here, Bradley. We are watching with a 12-inch Dobsonian telescope that I have outside. Look at this beast. This is a real telescope. This is not a toy. This is a real telescope. Huge. This is the Dobsonian power.
Dobsonian power.
It's an excellent telescope. Excellent. Strongly recommended. To watch it with naked eye, only with very dark skies. My sky is Bortle 5, so that means I'm located in a suburban area with Bortle 5. I can't see it naked eye. Hey Larson! Greetings to Indiana, United States of America! Naked eye is very difficult. Of course. Everybody here, remember to leave a like if you're enjoying the stream. Welcome, ProAV. If you want to stick with us and ask questions and post your pictures in our community pictures that I show in our live streams, so you just have to join Discord. You have the link at the description of the video, of this live stream and all the videos. It's free and you can post there. This is all washed out with the moon. If it wasn't the moon... Hey Sweden! Greetings to Sweden, great country! This that you are watching is the movement of the nucleus of the comet. It's moving fast to west. Greetings to India. Hey, dumb guy. You're there. Greetings to New Jersey, United States of America. This is wonderful. All over the world. Streaming to the planet Earth. This is real. 100% real. No fakes here. Just for a while. I'm getting tired. I'm streaming about 3 hours and a half. And I've been doing this every night. So this was the night I was expecting. And this is the reward you gave me. To be here all together from all over the world. Running away from my Dobsonian. Ohio. Greetings to Ohio. I'm sorry about the clouds. It's our issue also, always. Thank you, Fred. I'm getting tired now. I even wear the green sweatshirt in honor to this green comet. Try it again. Hello, New York. I will have to adjust this. Hold on. It's up here. In a dark sky, you should be watching this. See? Let me adjust the telescope. Because this is, I don't know if it's the wind. Or it's the platform. Nothing can be more real than this. Let me point the flashlight to see if there's dew. Was the platform. The platform at the end of 1 hour more or less, we have to reset it, the position. Let me refocus to see if it... Let me see. The stars... I think we can refocus this. No? It's fine. Yeah, it's fine. See, in naked eye, this is what you see. It's this image, but in a darker side. You have to be in a darker side than me. It's focused. I was using this remote. It's like a TV remote. You see? That I used to focus a telescope. I'm getting tired now. I took a bit more to find the comet now, because my brain is tired. Okay. 4 seconds, but this is so exciting that, and I know that it's the last time we have it near us. I was expecting this night. Just this. And bam. Magic. The green comet again. This is live. That's it. Go, Michigan, go! Hopefully not. I wish you luck. Oh. Oh, thank you. I appreciate a lot. Keep coming back. Make us great, bigger. It's you that... I love to interact with you. Even with this chat full of messages, I try to manage it to give you the word. Right? Yes, you got to learn the sky. It's easy. Look at the sky. Enjoy the sky. As Vanilla said, orient yourself, look to the north and find the Little Dipper, the constellation Ursa Minor. The tip of the Little Dipper's handle, or Ursa Minor's tail, is Polaris, the North Star. Everybody here has the obligation to know what is Polaris and the North Star. If you don't, you should learn. That's it. Because this is a good night of seeing. But it's not only that, Ray, it's a special event. Really special. Thanks, Brian. Yes, hit the like, everyone. Come on. We are here for you. No, no, Madzif. The largest live stream we did, it was I was going to dinner and then come back. It was like a test, an experience for me. It's too much. It was 5 hours or something. Then I cut the live stream fluff and it was less. But it was larger. No, I will not. I will not. Just a bit more. Special. It's unique. This that we are watching right now we are watching real time. It's a moment in our short life. And it's an even shorter moment. This comet will be gone forever. This bright comet. So the moment is unique. Yes, we can watch the replays forever. But this moment is unique because we are watching live. I point a telescope, reset the platform, I point again, always live. If something happens, something passes through the comet, we will be watching. That's the magic of the live streams and the EAA, electronically assisted astronomy. Marcin, relax, Marcin. This is engagement. They are not hurting anybody. If they hurt somebody, I ban. This is engagement. It's good for the live stream. You have to learn how to relax, be tolerant. Of course, there's a threshold. But a night as tonight, as long as no insults and no exaggerations on some topics, like politics, I had to record this to my wife's smartphone for her to listen. I love this music also. Bye, Adam. We'll go too. Hello, Bartek. You all appear tonight. It's faster today. The comet, it's brighter and faster. Come on, Marcin, don't be like that. Don't be like that. This is a special night. Why, the weather? Because of the weather? What if, did you capture the comet if you're there? Did you manage to capture the comet tonight? Yeah, sometimes it's not too... It had... I didn't see the anti-tail down here, but now we can see a tail like making a triangle. It's fainter because of the moon. It's here, the tail it's at the bottom, at the middle. Oh yeah? Interesting. No, everybody. 12-inch. We are watching with this 12-inch Dobsonian telescope outside. That's true. It's the Dobsonian power.
Dobsonian power.
And we are watching live the green comet closest to the Earth. It will be not ever again so close to the Earth, like now, like tonight. And we are watching from the south of Europe at 37 latitude.
Planet Earth. Continent Europe. Country Portugal. Region Algarve. 37 latitude, Bortle 5.
My laptop is burning. We hope not. Sue. Greetings to Ireland. Was looking at an equatorial platform. My degree latitude is 51.8. Will the 52-58 platform work, as it seems to be the only one I can find that ships? Thanks. Yes, it will work. Actually, I will tell you something. My platform is variable latitude. But it's only with odd numbers. Is it odd? 2, 4, 8, 6, 8, and so on. My latitude is 37, so I have my platform at 36, and it works fine. Then you adjust the south legs a bit. You use my trick. I have a video which teach how to polar align a platform. You use that and you will not need to. Just don't forget this. You will not get, if it has a bubble, forget the bubble. You will not get the platform with the level at leveled with a bubble. You can't, because you are working with a different. Just that. It will work. You can buy it. Cool fact, most comets have two tails, one from plasma and other one from particles. Interesting. This is the dust, and this is the gas, the green. And here the nucleus, the tail. I wish I could too. Yes, it will be visible. The thing is, now, tonight is the better night. It's the night when the comet is closest to us, to the Earth. Now it will go further away from us, out of the solar system. But these days, these next days, or maybe for a week or so, it will still be visible, but each day that passes, it will be less and less and less visible until it will gone. But you can watch the next days also. Not so bright and intense like this. You need very dark skies, not only clear skies, to watch it naked eye. Yes, you can see it on 2 or 3 February. More and more faint. With binoculars or a small telescope you can watch it. Even with a finder scope only. Canada, greetings to Canada, Andrew. We are on the south of Europe. India is cloudy. Bad news for people from India. Hello, Phoenix. Phoenix, Arizona. Yes, go with that. Go with that. What's the telescope? 8-inch, you said? A 12-inch. Be aware of the platform, because talk with them, because a 12-inch is very heavy. Not all the platforms can handle a 12-inch. Is it truss knob or is it solid tube? Is it collapsible? If it's collapsible, you'll be fine. But if it's like mine, like this, solid tube, it's very heavy. It has to be a strong platform. Yeah. Yes, you can see in Irun, in Spain. It's real. This is real time. Real Comet, real time. I won't be here if it wasn't real. This is real. And I'm getting tired. Tiago Ferreira. If you are enjoying this, give a like to this live stream. I solid tube. Well, make sure that you try it, and if it holds well. Like the live stream. We are approaching 4 hours of live stream. Just make sure that it's a reliable seller, and if it doesn't work, if you see that it can't handle your 12-inch Dobsonian, you return it. I'm telling this because I had that experience. Before I buy this platform that I have now, I bought a cheaper one made of thin wood, and it didn't hang on my 12-inch Dobsonian. I had to return it, and they refund me. So make sure you buy to a reliable seller. Just that. It's a preview, it's true. It's because of the time zone. Now it passed already the Small Dipper. It's at the left of the Small Dipper, of the Polaris, but above Polaris. Yes, you can. Fainter, but you can. And congratulations to all the people that are here that could watch at least once this comet. Record those images, and the ones that couldn't watch with naked eye or with their telescopes, at least remember that you got it here live with us all together. And now it's time. Thank you very much for being here. Remember, I want all of you this weekend in this live stream to watch the moon live and another deep sky objects that I have prepared for you. Be with us. Thank you and have a great rest of the day or of the night. Bye bye now.